Hey guys, and today I have another homemade squishy update. First up, I have this Doritos chip bag, and it's not very squishy and it's kind of hard to squish. There's the expiration date, which is actually the day I made it. Next, I have Sugar Bread Doll, inspired by Nico Princess and the actual squishy. I also made Brownie, but I already sold that one. This one's really airy though. Next, I have this little octopus sausage thing, and these are usually in bento boxes. If you know what that is, they're basically like Japanese, like cute lunch boxes. Next, I have this creamy candy or yummy bear cupcake, and this one's not very squishy, but it does look pretty cute. Yummy Bear is Creamy Candy's logo, and if you didn't see this on my last update, be sure to check out that. So it has these sprinkles, a little heart, drizzle, and whipped cream. This frog bun, and this is inspired by the actual animal bun squishy. I do have a tutorial on this if you would like to check that out. Then I have this pushing cat donut, which I also have a tutorial on. Lastly, I have these two cookies, and these were actually not as planned, so they're basically a fail, but I think they still look alright. The first one is red velvet with sprinkles, and there's the packaging. These are supposed to be chocolate chips. It's not that slow rising, it's just because the paint's sticking to each other. And the other cookie is a brownie with white chocolate chip. And it has this kind of like neutral emoji. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Bye!